This quick video, Martin, is for you, M1MRB, ICQ Podcast. So listening to the podcast, you were talking about keeping a screw on the end of a screwdriver and using tape. And that's exactly the method I've been using for years, goes way back. But there's one addition I'd like to show you. So on the bench today we have this screwdriver, pair of clippers, side cutters, whatever, and the trusty electrician's plaster. Right, so what you'd previously suggested was to pull off a few inches of tape and to push the screw through, and this does work, and it works very well. My little variation on that is two small things. Okay, so I'm going to pull a piece of tape that's probably, what's that, 6 inches long, 5 inches long. My first variation is to put a little fold on each end. Right, and then with the sticky side outwards, so you don't stick it together, fold it back roughly in half. Take your clippers and clip just a little bit in the centre there to make the hole. Open that out, insert screw from the sticky side, poke it through, right? And you'll find the screw goes through quite easily. Then put that on the end of the screwdriver and do your tape up. So you'll now notice on the end of a screwdriver it's good. Now the reason I did all of those steps is two things. Is one, with the little cut on the screw, it's easier to withdraw, and it would tear the tape easier than without it. And the other thing is the two little bits that we folded up here are easily accessible now. You can just peel that tape off like this, rather than kind of picking around with your finger or trying to like knife cut it off the end. Okay, so let's have a quick demonstration into the trusty desk here. Just kind of simulate doing that screw up, and then I'm going to pull. Off she comes, and then, oh, there we go, back into focus, and then we just pull the tape off like so. There you go, the Simon way of doing it. 7-3 for now.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.